So, my advice to you, I'm old man, so even I may not return, you shall continue this Krishna consciousness movement. This is eternal, and I shall request you to keep this standard as I have already given you the program, the deity worship, the Kirtan, the street saṅkīrtana, distribution of literature, of books. You should carry on this program with great enthusiasm. That is my request. In the path of Krishna consciousness, the first principle is enthusiasm. If you lack enthusiasm, then other things will not happen. And you can keep enthusiastic if you follow the rules and regulation and chant regularly Hare Kṛṣṇa mantra. Otherwise, that enthusiasm also will dry. So, 6 things are required for advancing Krishna consciousness. The first thing is enthusiasm, utsaha, dhairya, and patience, and nishcha, the conviction, firm conviction. Utsaha, dhairya, nishcha, tat karma pravartana, following the rules and regulations, chalked out plans, and satu vritte, dealings very straightforward, no diplomacy, no politics, no duplicity, that will not help. Satu vritte, vritti, his profession should be very straightforward, no underhand dealings. Satu vritte and sadhu sangha, and in the association of devotees. 6 things: enthusiasm, patience, firm conviction, following the rules and regulations, dealing straightforward, no duplicity, and in association of devotees. If you can keep these 6 principles always in front, then your progress in Krishna consciousness is sure. There is no doubt about it. So, as far as possible, I have tried to train you, and you are doing nice, I am satisfied. So, keep this standard and go on, march forward, and Krishna will bless you.
Bhaja Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta